Good morning. I welcome you to YouTube channel Vihan Tutorials. You can find here videos related to Pitman shorthand and also English grammar. If you want to learn English typing, videos are available on this channel and there are some videos of math for 8th class NCRT also. Okay. Today in this English grammar lesson, I am going to tell you about modes. Modes are actually the helping verbs which are most commonly used in mostly every sentence. These modes are or helping verbs are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. Can, may, will, shall. They are applied in sentences to help the speaker to explain what he wants to say. Now listen these sentences. I can go. I may go. I will go. I shall go. Okay. I can go means that I am able to go. I may go. I can go if you permit me or permission is granted to me and I will go. It is not definite whether he will go or not. There is no promise, but I shall go means that it is very necessary for him to go. You can understand the differences between can, which is ability, may, wants permission, will, not definite, shall, means definitely he will go, I will go, you may go. Now you may find these all modes in your English grammar book also. Try to make a sentence. My friend can go, my friend may go, my friend will go, my friend shall go. And the past tense of these modes are could, might, would, and should, which are used as per the requirement of the sentence. I hope you will understand it very easily. I would request you to subscribe the YouTube channel Vihan Tutorials if you have not subscribed it yet to get videos related to Pitman shorthand and English grammar. If you want to learn English typing at home, you may visit the videos which are available on this channel. You must have a register and a pen with you while going through the video you are watching at present. so that you may be able to note down the points which I have explained in this video to you, and will try to make some sentences related to can and could, may, might, will, would, and shall, should. Should is a necessity. Here, let me tell you one thing. It is very important to know for all of you that will is used with he, she, you, but the shall will be used with I. I shall, he will, you will. And the effects of will for I is like a promise, and shall in case of you, he, etc. It is not necessary that the promise will be kept by anyone. So there are some extra rules which will be told to you by me in any other video, and keep on learning till that time. Have a good grammar book like of Rastogi English grammar book for UP board ninth class. It will be very helpful for all of you to learn English grammar at any time. Thanks.